Mewing is a simple technique that involves adjusting your tongue posture to its correct position. You might wonder why this matters, but this easy exercise can improve your jawline and overall facial structure. Additionally, if you struggle with jaw pain, sleep apnea, or crooked teeth, mewing could be a helpful solution. In today's video, we'll guide you through the proper way to mew, especially if you're a beginner. So stay tuned and enjoy. Before we dive into the steps for correct mewing, it's important to understand that mewing is more than just an exercise. It's a lifestyle change that promotes better posture and healthy breathing habits. Just as you might follow a workout routine for your upper body, lower body, or other specific areas, mewing should also become a part of your daily routine. Consistent effort is key to achieving the best results. Here are the steps you need to follow to mew correctly. This small daily habit can lead to significant changes over time, both in appearance and well-being. Number 1. Close your mouth gently and ensure your lips meet without strain. This sets the stage for optimal tongue positioning. Number 2. Lightly touch your upper teeth with your tongue, focusing on making slight contact with the back of your front teeth. This helps you align your jaw properly. It's a subtle but crucial step in maintaining proper alignment. Number 3. Press your entire tongue against the roof of your mouth, covering as much of your palate as possible. Apply gentle, consistent pressure. This action encourages the natural shape and support of your upper palate. Number 4. Keep your airways clear and ensure you can breathe easily. Proper breathing is as important as correct tongue posture in this practice. Number 5. Aim to make this tongue position your natural resting state. Through consistent practice, with time this will become second nature, further enhancing your posture and facial structure. Number 6. Check and adjust your body posture regularly to ensure your mewing is effective. Good posture supports the effectiveness of your mewing efforts and overall physical health. To see long-term benefits and improvements in your facial structure and posture, it's essential to practice regularly. To confirm that you're mewing correctly, it might help to think of the movement as if you're trying to make a clicking sound with your tongue. If you're just starting, you can also try the chin up hold method. Lie down on your stomach, lift your chin while looking forward, and place your tongue against your upper palate. This position helps you straighten your tongue and understand the correct tongue placement. Regular practice will lead to stronger and more precise tongue control, vital for effective mewing. As a beginner, it's normal to make mistakes along the way, but the key is to learn and correct them quickly. A common mistake is maintaining poor body posture. While mewing can help build better posture, it's also crucial for success. Make sure you sit or stand with your back straight, head held high, and shoulders relaxed while looking directly ahead during the exercise. Avoid pushing your front teeth. Your tongue should rest under the roof of your mouth without touching your front teeth. Also, steer clear of grinding your teeth or applying too much pressure. These adjustments will make your mewing practice more efficient and comfortable. Another pitfall to avoid is inconsistency in your approach to mewing. Varying your technique each time can hinder your results and negatively impact your posture. That's why it's important to practice these steps thoroughly before incorporating them into your daily routine. Consistency is the foundation of progress in any exercise, and mewing is no exception. While more scientific evidence is needed to fully validate the benefits of mewing, many people have reported significant viable improvements over time. Despite the lack of conclusive studies, there is no known side effects or risks associated with this exercise. Mewing can be done by adults of all ages, but remember, consistency is crucial for results. The more dedicated you are, the more likely you are to see noticeable changes. With regular effort, you should start noticing improvements within the first few weeks. What are your thoughts on mewing? Is it an exercise you'll add to your daily routine? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in learning how to reduce face fat, check out our video, How to Actually Lose Face Fat, 5 Easy Steps.